Okay. Well, what we want to have done is to have it overturned over to your home. But you're living over there in what is your state again?
But I mean, if you have a package for me and this is a call from Bank of America, shouldn't you know where I'm living?
Well, please give me a moment while I check the system here, because it should be here. Okay? One moment. Is it Brooklyn, New York?
Yes.
Okay. Your address is 126 East 93 Road?
93rd, not 93.
Oh, 93rd.
Yeah.
Okay. What have happened is that we have sent you a notification letter for you to be aware of the price package that we have here for you, ma'am. But we didn't get any further information pertaining to this package. Just the
Who directly is the package sent to, though? Because there's a bunch of us living here. So who directly is the package sent to?
Who's directly the package sent to?
Yeah.
Well, that is the problem, because we have a crystalline fix. Am I right?
A what?
Is it crystalline?
Crystalline?
Flakes?
Crystalline slate?
Yeah.
No, that's not me.
Oh my God.
Yes, so not to a blood clot thief, because that's not even my address. Nobody no leave your name, so stop calling me blood clot number and I thought thief. I don't have an axe together when I not call people for thief their money about package.
Let me know. Who am I speaking with?
You not speak to a raw soul because they have a wrong address, you have the wrong name. You recall a crow that blood clot background. You know no wicked and bad?
Oh, yeah, man.
How are you? You know wicked and bad in all the cockacrow, cuckoo. Like seriously, my youth, get your axe together, man.
Yeah, man. I know how you still like I sound like a yard.
Get your axe together, man. You don't have to know who me. Get your axe together, man. And if you stop TV people, them, you know.
Where?
And when you not TV people, them, you not give out none to the community down a yard, you know. And you just have splurge with the money, you know. And the little people, them, and run, one go to school or back to school time, and you not do nothing, you know.
I tell you, man, a whole heap of people else, man. I tell you, they even know.
No, I'm not going to know, because I'm not down there. So I'm not going to know. I'm not know who you. If you know if you give back to your community out of thieving money.
All I'm doing to left Jamaica.
My youth, me ain't in an argument. Just here, just take a number you offer.